Today I want to show us how to trim out a part of our video already uploaded on YouTube Studio. So what you do is go to your Chrome browser. Now you search for YouTube dashboard, or you click on youtube.com/dashboard. So what you do now, it will open your dashboard. That is your channel dashboard, your YouTube Studio. So what I'll do, I'll click on the editor and the my videos tab, video or content tab. So once I click on the content tab, now it will bring me to my videos. But what I want to do now, I'm looking for the video that I want to trim out a part of it. So now I'll click on this arrow button here. There is next page to bring me to the next page. So I'm still looking for the video. Yes, I've got it. This is the video I want to trim out a segment. So what I will do now is to go to my editors tab here. You can see it at the left hand corner side. Then now it has opened my video, this particular video. So I want to cut out a segment of this video because it contains something that YouTube doesn't want. So what I'll do now, I'll click on my plus button in front of this trim and cut. I click on it. You see a blue envelope, a blue line envelope the entire video. You can see. So what I will do now is to click on this new cut up here. I'll click on this new cut. You can see another red envelope on my video. So I already know the parts that I want to cut out or trim out. I will just adjust the left slide and the right slide. I will just adjust it to a place. That means this red slide here is the place I want to cut out. So from the entire video, this segment here is where it's going out. So I will just click on, after selecting it, I will click on this good icon, this good mark icon up of the red slider by the left hand side. I click on it. So as you can see, the red slider has disappeared. That means I have successfully trimmed out or cut out that place. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on my save button up here. So once I click on it, it will tell me something. So you read whatever it's saying here. Then now I will acknowledge and say confirm changes. So it will process. It will take time to process it, but you say it's going to take about 120 minutes left, 120 minutes to process, and it will, after that time, I've successfully deleted that particular place I don't want from my video. So thank you for watching. So if you have any other question, you can ask me from the comment section. Thank you.